Equation of a line passing through 2 points. The first point has x equals 2, and y equals 4. The second point has x equals 25, and y equals 39.
First, place the 2 points on the coordinate grid.
The run is the horizontal change, from x equals 2 to x equals 25, the run is 23. The rise is the vertical change, from y equals 4 to y equals 39, the rise is 35.
Slope is rise divided by run, 35 over 23, which simplifies to 35 over 23. Now draw the line through both points.
Start with point slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Then fill in the boxed values. Slope is 35 over 23, x1 is 2, and y1 is 4.
That gives the specific point negative slope equation for this line.
Finally, solve for y to get slope negative intercept form.
The graph and the equation describe the same line.